Dear students, thank you so much for your amazing support. మీ లక్ష్యం మా ధ్యేయం. మరిన్ని ప్రీవియస్ Hi dear students, welcome to VMR Logics guys. This is your VMR. Now the point is, if you find the highest power of your prime number in n factorial, alright? You know, shown. For example, question observe. Find the highest power of 2 in 5 factorial. Find the highest power of 2 in 5 factorial. At the same time, find the highest power of 3 in 5 factorial. Find the highest power of 5 in 5 factorial. Find the highest power of 7 in 5 factorial. Right? Now, so find the highest power of 2, 3, 5, 7 in 5 factorial question. Right? Now look. So how to solve? Simple enough you observe. Look. Generally how to solve if you observe 5 factorial meaning all of you look 5 factorial meaning 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 which is 120. 5 factorial meaning 120. Now in that highest power of 2 all of you highest power of 2 I want highest power of 3 highest power of 5 highest power of 7 right. Look for that highest power of 2 all of you 120. 5 factorial is nothing but 120. Then guys, so 120 you just write down 120 you write down like 2 table 60 2 table 30 2 table 15 3 table 5 5 table 1 so 120 you are writing as 2 cube 3 power 1 5 power 1 right. So 120 I am writing as 2 cube 3 power 1 5 power 1. So now the question I'll ask you observe. What is the highest power of 2 in 5 factorial? 5 factorial means 120. In that highest power of 2 is what? 3. Right? Next, 5 factorial means 120. All of you. Highest power of 3 in 5 factorial, that is 1. Tarata, in 5 factorial, what is the highest power of 5? That is 1. Highest power of 7, there is no 7 here. In 5 factorial, there is no 7 here. So 0. Clear? Yes or no? మరి ఇప్పుడు ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ గుడిస్తే చేయగలుగుతావా నువ్వు? Come on, speak. If I ask the question now, look. Find the highest power of 7 in 700 factorial. Come on, do it. Innaka, if you observe previous question, 5 factorial I said. So you are writing 5 factorial is nothing but you are writing simply 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 120. You are writing nice. Yes or no? 5 factorial means you are writing 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That's it, 120. Very nice. Alright. Now guys observe. Now is the time if you observe of you. ఇప్పుడు 700 factorial అంటే ఒక పంచి you write down 700 factorial 700 into 699 698 697 one word right. Then you find out in that I write down that number. See here I am writing 120, then I am expressing the 120 as a product of prime factors. In that highest power of 2 I am checking, highest power of 3 I am checking, highest power of 5 I am checking. So you do one thing, 700 factorial you write down the same way 700 into 699 into 698 into and so on and that in that all of you I want to know 7 highest factor. Not that much easy, yes or no? So how to solve this question? Look, so just for explanation point of view I have given the answer like this, but examination point of view how to solve. Now is the time for examination point of view. Let's see how to solve in examination point of view. Right? Look, the question of you, what is the highest power of 2 in 5 factorial question? Highest power of 2 in 5 factorial. Very simple of you, very simple. Observe 5 factorial, highest power of 2 you want, right? Just do it. By 2, by 2, by 2. By 2 you do it. 2 table. Now, 2 table. Guys, forget about factorial. Forget about factorial. 5 divided by 2. Tell me the quotient. Tell me the quotient. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Right? 2 2s are 4. Quotient is 2. Quotient is 2. Again. By 2, by 2, by 2. One time. Again. By 2, by 2, by 2. 0. Stop. 3. 3 answer. Alright. Next. Find the highest power of... in the previous also you get the same answer. 3. Check out. Find the highest power of 3 in 5 factorial. Right? See. Come on. 3 table in 5. One time. Mala. Again. By 3. 0. Once you get 0, stop the process. 3. 1 only. So what is the highest power of 5 in 5 factorial? So 5 table, 5 fact, 5 low, 1 time, 0. By 5 again, 0, 1 time. No problem. Let's see one more example so that you'll understand. Look. Now same answer, check out. 3 1 1. Like 3 1 1, right? Yes or no? Now actually the question. Find the highest power of 7 in 700 factorial question. Highest power of 7 in 700 factorial. Simple. How to solve? Look. 700 factorial by 7, by 7, by 7. 7 table 700. How many times? Forget about factorial. Forget about factorial. 7 table 700. How many times? 100 times. Again. By 7, by 7, by 7. 7 ones are 7, 30, 7 fours are 28. Quotient only you tell me. Just tell me the quotient. When 100 is divided by 7, 14 times 98, remainder 2. I don't want remainder, I don't want anything. I just need quotient, that is 14. I just need quotient 14. Again. 7 table, 14. Come on. 7 2s are 14, 2 times. Again. By 7, 0. You do the process until you get 0. That's all. Once you get 0, stop the process. Now add them. 100, 14, 2, add 116. So, what is the highest power of 7 in 700 factorial? 116 is the answer. Clear? Let's see one more example. What is the highest power of 2 in 120 factorial question? What is the highest power of 2 in 120 factorial? Look, you know. So first I'll ask you, highest power of 2 in 120 factorial. Clear? So you need to search how many 2's are there in 120 factorial. Directly the question is, you need to search how many 2's are there in 120 factorial. You need to search how many 2's are there in 120 factorial, right? So for that, 120 factorial. By 2, just highest power of 2. That means how many 2's are there. You want to count how many 2's are there. Just do it. By 2, by 2, by 2. Come on. How many times? 60 times. 2 tables 60 times. Again. By 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. 30 times. Again. By 2, by 2, by 2. 15 times. Again, by 2, by 2, 7 times. Again, by 2, by 3 times. By 1 time. Again, by 2, 0. Stop. 0 means stop the process. 0, stop the process. Now count how many are there. Come on. 60, 90, 100, 110, 115, 116. 116. How many are there? 116 is the... This is the... Indirectly in this question, if you observe, in 120 factorial, there are 116 2's are there. That's meaning 116. Option A answer. Highest power of 2 or how many 2's are there means 116 2's are there. That's the highest power of 2, right? Question number I'll ask you 52. Question number 52. Find the highest power of 5 in 500 factorial. Look, find the highest power of 5 in 500 factorial, right? Look. So, highest power of 5 in 500 factorial. Very simple. This, until you just count how many 5's are there. My question to you, just count how many 5's are there in 500 factorial. Are you getting? See, look. Come on. Observe here. You just count how many 2's are there in 5 factorial. Count how many 2's are there. So 5 factorial means you are writing 2 cube, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. How many 2's are there? There are 3 2's are there. So that's the highest power of 2, that is 3, right? Same way. Now is the time. You just count, find the highest power of 5 in 500 factorial. That means you are supposed to count how many 5s are there. You are supposed to count how many 5s are there in 500 factorial, right? So count. In how many 5s are there in 500 factorial? Count, start. How you solve? So 500 factorial by 5, 100. Again, by 5, 20. Just divide by 5, all of you. By 5, whatever is given to you, just divide it. By 5, by 4, by 5, 0. Once you got 0, stop the process. Look, observe you. 100 by 5, 20. 20 by 5, 4. By 5, 0. 0 means stop the process. Now add the numbers. Now add the numbers. Forget this. You don't see all these things. Just add the numbers. 100, 20, 4, 0. 124. So point all of you. How many zeros are there? How many 5s are there in 500 factorial? 124 are there. Option B is your answer. Option B. Clear? Yes or no? Question number all of you 53. Question number 53. Observe. Find the highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Come on. Find the highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. How you find? Highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Start. Come on. Highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Immediately some other students. observe. కొంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎలా చేస్తారు? I'll explain first. కొంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్, which is wrong actually, but I'll show you. Sir, by 10, sir. Wrong answer. Why wrong answer? Come on, tell me why wrong answer. Look, this is a wrong answer. Why? Look, what's the heading, all of you, if you observe? What's the heading? If you look heading, all of you observe. Look, heading. Find the highest power of a prime number. What's this? Look. Come on, what's this? Find the highest power of a prime number. You are finding highest power of a prime number in n factorial. Yes or no? So, you are finding what? Highest power of a prime number in n factorial. Now look. Guys, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. I'm asking highest power of 7 in 700 factorial. So 7 is a prime number. I'm asking highest power of 2 in 120 factorial. 2 is a prime number. I'm asking highest power of 5 in 500 factorial. 5 is a prime number. This is the time I'm asking highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Guys, 10 is not a prime number. Guys, 10 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. Alright? 10 is not a prime number. Look, 10 అనేది prime number కాదు. 10 is not a prime number. Yes or no? Yes, 10 is not a prime number. So if it is not a prime number, all of you guys, our heading is what? Find the highest power of a prime number in n factorial. Meaning is what? You are searching for, suppose highest power of 5 in 500 factorial. You are searching how many 5s are there in 500 factorial. You are just searching how many 5s are there in 500 factorial. In the same way, you just, if you observe here 10 I asked, but 10 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. So if it is not a prime number, then it's your responsibility to convert them into prime numbers. Here 10 is not a prime number, right? Then you convert them into prime numbers. Observe, guys. Here 10 is not a prime number, right? Here if 10 is not a prime number, then it's your responsibility to convert them into prime numbers, right? Look, 10. So I am writing 10 as a product of two prime numbers, 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Yes or no? So now it's fine. Now your responsibility, find out the highest power of 2, find out the highest power of 5, and then take minimum power, that is the highest power of 10. Whichever is minimum, that is the highest power of 10. Right? See, even at the time beginning, if you observe, 5 factorial 120. Look, 5 factorial of 120. What is the highest power of 10 in this? So I can say very clearly 12 into 10. Highest power of 10 is 1. Yes or no? So how you find this one? So 10 is not a prime number. Write down 2 into 5. Find out highest power of 2 and highest power of 5. So 5 factorial means 120. I am writing as 2 cube, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. So highest power of 2 I got as 3. Highest power of 5 I got as 1. Highest power of 2 I got 3. Highest power of 5 I got 1. And I want to take minimum. Among these two, minimum is what? 1. So that's the highest power of 10. Yeah, look at now. 1. So always you take minimum, all of you. Now onwards, whenever they ask the question, whenever they ask the question, what is the highest power of 10 అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు? హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2 చేయాలి, హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 5 చేయాలి, మినిమం తీసుకోవాలి. దట్స్ ఆల్, రైట్? సో based on this all of you, my question to you, find the highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Find the highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Okay, look, highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial of you. దానికోసం you find out highest power of 2, highest power of 5, because 10 is not a prime number. So first you find out highest power of 2, all of you. So 1000 factorial, highest power of 2, how you find? The means you need to search how many 2's are there in that 1000 factorial. So for that, what you do? By 2. Come on, 500 times. Again, by 2. 250 times. Again, by 2. Again, by 2. By 2. Up to 0. You need to write up to 0, right? The count, how many are they? Count. You know, 50, 70, 100, 160, 170, 180, 181, 182, 184, 189, 289, 489, 989. Now, I want to know what is the highest power of 5 in 1000 factorial. What is the highest power of 5 in 1000 factorial? Come on, start it up you. By 5. That is 200. Again, by 5. That's all. Stop. 249, all of you. 249. So the highest power of 5 is 249, all of you. 249, right? So this I got 989. This I got 249. So minimum you take 249. That's your answer. Minimum you take 249. Clear? Yes or no? I'll ask you one more question. This time you are supposed to say properly answer. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను, ప్లీజ్ సే ఇట్ ప్రాపర్లీ ఆన్సర్. Observe of you. I'll ask here only, right? The question now, find the highest power of 10. Find the highest power of 10 in find the highest power of 10 in 300 factorial. Question start. Highest power of 2 in 300 factorial. So first you need to check whether the given number is a prime number or not. If you look, this 10 is not a prime number. No problem. If it is not a prime number, you convert them into prime numbers product, 2 into 5, right? So you need to find the highest power of 2 and highest power of 5, and you need to take minimum among them. So start it up. Come on, highest power of 2, highest power of 5, and minimum. Guys. Minimum దేంట్లో వస్తుంది? Only 5 లోనే వస్తుంది. Yes or no? If you observe, 300 factorial by 5 table 60. Again, by 5 12. By 5 2 times. 5 table 2 times. 0 times. Stop. 74. 2 చేయాలా వస్తుందా? అవసరం లేదు. చేయమంటావా? అవసరం లేదు. నీకు కావాల్సిన మినిమం కావాలి. నీకు ఎస్ఆర్ పవర్ మినిమం కావాలి. యూ నీడ్ మినిమం పవర్. సో సార్ బై 2 సార్ 150 బై 2 7 బై 2 ఎందుకు అన్ని ఆడ మొత్తం 74, ఇది ఒకటే 150, మళ్ళీ 75 మొత్తం యాడ్ చేస్తే చాలా అవుతుంది. అసలు రాయటం అవసరమా? దిస్ ఇస్ నో నీడ్ టు రైట్. ఇంకా అవ్వలేదు రాయటం అవసరం లేదు. బికాజ్ ఐ వాంట్ ద మినిమం. నీకు మినిమం కావాలంటే డెఫినెట్లీ మినిమం ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ ఇక్కడే మినిమం వస్తుంది. సో వాడు ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 10 అన్నప్పుడు ఇంక ఈ 2 చేయక్కర్లా, ఓన్లీ 5 చేస్తే చాలు. నో నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ 2. ఈవెన్ కమ్ బ్యాక్. Look, this is your question. Look, I just want to know find the highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. 10 in 1000 factorial, right? Observe. If you observe clearly, I can write as 2 into 5. 2 into 5 I can write. So highest power of 2 and highest power of 5 I want to find. So minimum you need to take. So minimum across by default. So minimum 5 and there I go. Minimum definitely we are going to get in 5 only. Minimum 5 and వస్తుంది. ఇది చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. 989 249 మినిమం 249 అసలు అవసరం లేదు. మోర్ వాల్యూ విల్ గివ్ యూ లెస్ పవర్, రైట్? సో మోర్ వాల్యూ ఉంటే లెస్ వస్తుంది ఎలాగో. సో ఇది చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇంత కష్టపడి చేసి మళ్ళీ యాడ్ చేసి అవంతా టైం వేస్ట్. సో ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఇఫ్ దే ఆస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 10 in 10 అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావు? యూ జస్ట్ టేక్ ద మాక్సిమం వాల్యూ 2 5 తీసుకుంటే 5 కూడా చేయి. డోంట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఫర్ 2, రైట్? Clear? Next question. Question number 54. Question number 54. Look. Highest power of 3 in 600 factorial. Find the highest power of 3 in 600 factorial. So start Alafi. Come on. 600 factorial. By 3. 200. By 3. 6 times 18 malla 2 6 times 18 by 3 22 by 3 7 times by 3 2 times by 3 0. That's all over. Clear? Now look, observe. Adding 60 80 87 89 91 97 297. That's your answer, 297. Clear? Next I'll have you. Question I'll have you. Find the highest power of 14 in 400 factorial. Find the highest power of 14 in 400 factorial. My dear students, first when they ask highest power of 14 in 400 factorial, first you check whether this number is a prime number or not. First you check whether the given number is a prime number or not. First you check whether the given number is a prime number or not. 14 is not a prime number. Then you convert them into prime numbers. 2 into 7 14. 2 into 7 14, right? Convert them into prime number. 2 into 7 14. Now you need to find highest power of 2 and highest power of 7. Simple enough. Find out highest power of 2, find out highest power of 7. Find out highest power of 2, find out highest power of 7, and then you take minimum power, because guys it is not a prime number. It is prime number kaadu, so convert them into primes. And anyhow you want minimum power, so where you get minimum power? In 2 powers or 7 powers? Definitely 7 power. So no need to calculate 12 of you, just to find out highest power of 7. You don't need to calculate here 2 power of you, just calculate highest power of 7 in 400 factorial. That means you are setting how many 7s are there in 400 factorial. That's all. So how to set how many 7s are there in 400 factorial? Very simple. 400 factorial by 7. 7 tables 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49. By 7 7 table 8 times 56. By 7 by 1 time 0 times close 57 65 166. So highest power of 7 in 14 అంటే highest power of 14 in 400 factorial అప్పుడు 66 is the answer. Guys 2 చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. This is 66. ఇక్కడ ఎలాగో మినిమం ఇది మాక్సిమం వస్తుందండి. If you do 400 factorial by 2 itself 200, and more than 200 you are getting answer. You want to take minimum 66 you can take directly. So no need to calculate this part, no need to calculate the by 2 part, right? Next I'll have you. This question I'll have you, important one. I'll have you, they may change. See, till now we have discussed the format like that. Highest power of 2 in 300 factorial like that. The same question they may ask like this also. The same question I'll have you, they may ask like this also. Look how they may ask. Look, find the maximum value of n. Find the maximum value of n such that 157 factorial is perfectly divisible by 12 power n. The meaning of this, find the highest power of 12 in 157 factorial. Both are same meaning. But they changed the question format, they changed. Observe. Find the maximum value of n. That means highest power of 12. N is nothing but highest power of 12. Highest power of 12. In 157 factorial, which is perfectly divisible by 12 power n. He is asking clearly highest power of 12 in 157 factorial. That means you need to find how many 12s are there in 157 factorial. That's the question, right? Look, simple. So guys, observe. First point, you need to search whether it's a prime number or not. First, you need to search all of you whether is it a prime number or not. In case if it is not a prime number, then it's your responsibility to convert them into prime numbers. So check first. నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ చెక్ చేయాలి ఆ ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్ ప్రైమ్ అవునా కాదా అని చెక్ చేయి 12 is not a prime number, so you are converting into prime numbers product. 3 into 4, highest power of 3, find out wait. Is a 4 a prime number? Is a 4 a prime number? No, guys. I told you first you need to check whether the given number is a prime number or not. If not, it's your responsibility to convert them into prime numbers product. Yeah, I agree 3 is a prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. I agree 3 is a prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. So what to do? Come on. You need to convert again. You need to convert it again. Come on, convert. Come on, convert all of you. 4. Again, I'm converting 4 as 2 into 2. So I can say 2 square. So now it's a prime numbers, right? So I find out the highest power of 3 and find out the highest power of 2 square. Look. Highest power of 3 and highest power of 2 square. Now we can't say that, sir. I'll find out only for 3, sir. Because no, we can't say. Because that is 2 square. It's not only 2. Yeah, previous question I can say directly a point. Look, previous question I can mention. 14 is there. 14. It's not a prime number. I am writing 2 into 7. So I can say only I'll find out for 7 I can't. I won't find for 2. Yeah, it's okay. But now is the case, Alafi. Now is the case 12. Now is the case, Alafi, 12. This I am writing as 3 into 2 square. 2 square. This is not one value. The power square is there. So if it is the case, how you solve? Come on, guys. How you solve? Cheppandi. How you solve? Highest power of 3 and highest power of 2 square. How you solve? Come on, how to solve? Simple. First, all of you 157 factorial, you find out highest power of 3. That already you know. By 3. Just by 3. 5 times 15, 2 times. Again, by 3. 1 time 3, 2. 3 7s are 21. By 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 0. Stop. Now add them. Come on, add them. 50, 60, 67, 68, 70, 75. 75 is this one. Now similarly you find out for 2 also, all of you. Similarly you find out for 2. 157 factorial. By 2. Kondaman sir, 2 you are getting more value. No. Find out. First you find out. 2 table of 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16. 2 table 39, 2 table 19 2s are 38, 9 times by 2. Stop the process. Now add the numbers, all of you. Add the numbers. 70, 100, 110, 120, 131, 131, 140, 148, 152. By, again, here power 2 is there, guys. Here power 2 is there. Very important. Notice here power 2. So by 2 it 7 2s are 14, 6 times 76. Now look, all of you. 3 key highest power I got 75, and for 4 it is the 2 square. For 2 square I got 76. For 3 I got 75, and for 2 square I got 76. Among these two, 75, 76, minimum is 75. So the answer is 75. That's all. Clear? Most important one. Guys, here power 2 is there, so just do it by 2 here, by 2 here. When power 2 is there, by 2 it by 2, right? VMR Logics YouTube channel subscribe చేసుకోండి. Notifications కోసం click on bell icon. It's your VMR.